Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is DIY with Sarah Renee. I am so excited for today's video. I'm so excited. So I love Nutcrackers. I have loved them since forever, it feels like. I know that my brother growing up was like obsessed with Nutcrackers. So my mom would get a new one every single year and I just remember a house full of them. So as I have, started decorating my own home, I have been incorporating them. But each year I seem to tweak the ones I have to kind of represent whatever it is that I am into decor-wise that year. So if you all remember from last year's video, I made a couple of adjustments on Nutcrackers. I painted them all a really beautiful, rich, tan type of color. Almost to represent wood, it felt like. This year, I really challenged myself to use the Nutcrackers, the decor, the pieces that I already have in my, my stash, and just tweak them even more to reflect what I am into now. So I have a ton, more than I care to say, natural wood Nutcrackers. I'm pretty sure that I decorated with just natural wood Nutcrackers last year, and I love that. I love natural wood. I really do. But I wanted to enhance that this year and utilize stain. So I have some Nutcrackers to show you today that I have stained, and oh my gosh, I am like so giddy because they turned out so good. Also using Nutcrackers from last year, those tanned ones that I got from the Dollar Tree, took all their hair off and painted them all that tan color. I'm using those in this year's Nutcracker DIY. I was browsing through the scroll on Instagram, trying to get ideas for what I wanted this year. And I came across, and I wish I would have saved it. I put it in my mind's vault and didn't save it anywhere, which was so silly, but they were these stunning brass Nutcrackers, and I lost my mind. I immediately went to Michael's knowing what I had in mind for this DIY. Got the correct paint, and I just went for it, and they are beautiful. They are beautiful. Just wait till you see. See, I am like so excited for this video. I'm like embarrassing myself. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you are ready to get as amped up about Nutcrackers as I am, come on with me. Let's go create. I told you guys, those Nutcracker DIYs are beautiful. I love them and I cannot wait. Hopefully I am still into that stained wood, brass looking Nutcrackers next year, because this year I love them. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.